G'day Burnout fans, it's Flinty here. Been a bit light on with content lately. Been elbow deep in prepping for West Coast Nats, which is coming up this weekend. And look what I got behind me, the Ute. It's back on the dyno here at BYE. For those that don't know, I snapped the crank in this thing back in December, and after a full rebuild and work commitments and whatnot, it's been sort of been put on the back burner a little bit. But we finally got the Ute running a couple of weeks ago on the dyno here, just sort of getting a bit of a run in on the new combo, and yeah, one of the rollers on the lifters let go, and lucky for Justin, he caught it, saved the engine. So yeah, bit thankful there. So it's been a mad rush to get the engine out. Parts, that's a huge issue. Managed to get the parts sorted, and the team here at BYE were just unreal to get that all done in such a short space of time. Engine back in last Sunday, back down to BYE on Monday, and yeah, she's now on the dyno, ready to go. So we'll see what power it's going to make. I don't really care, as long as it's reliable. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Check this out. I can't wait to get out on the Motorplex pad this weekend and do a couple of demo skids and yeah, have a bit of fun. Cheers, guys.